Well, the world is facing huge problems at the moment as far as food supply is concerned and food security. Problems of climate change, problems of food miles, all kinds of things that if we're not very careful, we're going to find out that we don't have enough to feed the population of the world, and that's growing by hundreds of thousands of people. So a system like this, involving hydroponics, water, nutrients, self-contained within a building, so it doesn't need an awful lot of agricultural land. It's got its own climate controls, so you don't have to worry about climate change. It can be adapted to many different kinds of vegetables and fruit. Here at Paynton Zoo, it's going to be feeding the animals. There's a vast amount of lettuces going around there at the moment, but it could be producing many other kinds of crops as well. So this could well be part of a big solution that is needed to solve the world's food problems.
We are here to look at something that's absolutely unique in the world, and I kind of like that because I like doing things that nobody else has done before. And I have to say I'm surprised a little bit and delighted that so many people have shown interest in something to do with plants. You know, we usually open animal exhibits, and that's no problem pulling people in to come and see that. But actually, this is, you know, a step forward for us, and a very good and welcome one. We are an environmental park, and this fits with the ethos of what we are trying to do. We are trying to act in a sustainable way. We have received our ISO 14001 accreditation, and earlier this year we were re-accredited under that scheme. So this fits very well with that. We are trying to reduce our carbon footprint, and we are trying to behave in ways that are sustainable to reduce our resource use. We get 500,000 visitors here at the zoo, and this is an extra thing for them to see, an extra thing for them to try and understand what it is that we're trying to do.
We obviously have our very good reasons for being here as well. First of all, we needed to build a pilot unit that we could use to demonstrate the system to all those people from all over the world who have been inquiring about its potential use commercially. We believe we have a unique product which we can prove is truly commercially viable. We can also sequester carbon dioxide from industrial outlets. In other words, we can pump carbon dioxide into these systems, which improves the growth rate of the plants and makes them stronger and healthier, and utilize carbon dioxide in that way. We welcome you here today, John, in the most caring of zoo environments, to do us the honours of officially launching a technology which we genuinely believe will bring a new approach to sustainable food production.
Well, good afternoon, everybody, and it's an honour for me to be here today to witness what could well be a very significant moment in a process that goes back millions and millions of years on this planet, the production of food. We're about to see 8,000 lettuces and no slugs.
It's amazing. It's really impressive to see. It's you know, it's as if you're seeing a taste of what the future's going to be. You know, with food shortages in the forefront in society, then we're going to need to produce more vegetables in a smaller space, and this answers that problem.
What I like about it is it's ingenious, but it's simple. I think when you look at the controls they have in there, you can get optimization of crop growing, and that's what it's all about.
A landmark piece of equipment to have, and a first in Europe. I think it's absolutely terrific.
I think we are going to have to grow our crops more in towns in the future as we run out of oil, and I think it's very interesting to see people who are looking at what the possibilities are.